guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. So I got the RXA in the air today. We're gonna be putting on the RXA drift knuckles and the camber control arms. Okay, so here's what we're putting on today. So we're gonna put these. I got these from my boy Tanner. You can find them on RXA drift knuckles. So they're shortened already. And I'm also gonna put these jazz bead arms on the car. Get rid of the factory arms. So all this needs to come off. First thing you have to do is take off the caliper. So it's two 17-inch bolts, one here, one right here. So that comes off. Then take this bolt out, pull the rotor off, and after that you have to take the sensor for the ABS out of there so you don't break it either. And then it's just simple stuff like taking the bolts for the upper control arm off and the blowers. You can take everything out. The only thing is that this car is a little like, I mean, it's not a little rusty, but it's been sitting forever, so it has like a little surface rust on it. So it's gonna be pretty hard getting that help out of the knuckle, because it basically just sits in there. So I might have to smack the shit out of it to get it out, but I'm just gonna get everything off first and then just go from there. Hopefully it comes out easy. So now that I have everything off, we just gotta basically put this on. But as you can see, this thing's like kind of a little rusty in there, and you can't just hammer from the back because you have the sensor in the back. So gotta take those 4 bolts off, put it back in the press over there, and just smack the hell out of it. Got the hub out. You can see it was like kind of a little rusty in there. So I just gotta get the heat shield off. I'm not using that. Put it into the new knuckles and just install everything pretty much. And then throw the beefier camber adjustment control arms on the car, so you can get a little more camber out of the car and get the wheels to fit a little bit better, because I'm not happy with the fitment right now. Get it to fit better and then lower it a little more so it looks cool. Alright, so now everything's on. Just gotta put new cotter pins on this one and this one here, and then pretty much just redo the same thing for the other side of the car and get it in the ground to adjust the camber a little bit before I actually get it aligned to the oil shop. But I still have to do the radiator, which is like the part I've been trying to hold off on because it's like just pain in the ass to do, but I'm gonna do it today. Just gotta catch a break because it's super hot today.
You take the top 2 hoses off?
Alright, so picking up bad habits from people that I know, and I got someone else working on my car today instead of me. So got my boy Gil under the car doing the radiator while I do the really hard work of just taking out 2 hoses and replacing them with 3 hoses, not 2, Gil, it's 3, so it's a little harder. So 3 hoses while Gil takes out everything under the car to get to the radiator. How you feel about that, Gil?
Used to it.
Progress, man. My clout's finally working for me. Alright, so here's another cool thing I'm doing to the car, which is the HPS hoses. You can see these are perfectly matched for the car. But the thing I'm gonna do right now is take the old coupler off. You can see it has a little rusted, sandblast it so it looks nicer, and then put everything on with these nice clamps that HPS applies instead of using these old crappy ones. Thank you, Gil.
Anything for Papi.
Yeah, now you can paint it and it won't rust again.
Oh, that shit looks dope.
Yeah. How's it going over there?
It's going.
Hoses are installed. They look pretty sick. I wish I would have gotten the rest of them because the rest looks shitty now. Everything fit up perfectly. Cleaned that bracket up, painted it. It looks really nice. Looks way better than the whole car now. And you can literally see how nice that radiator looks right there. Super nice and shiny. So the reason why I went with this one over the factory one, first of all, let's see if the camera works. Come on, camera, work. See how nice that thing looks. Nice and pretty. So next up we're gonna do is come over here to the oil coolers to change the thermostats. So all you have to do is like pull this plastic back so you can see the factory thermostat, and literally just unscrew it and screw this in, and that's it. Pretty much one of the easiest cooling mods you can do to the car is just putting this in. Oil runs cooler, engine runs cooler pretty much. Easy mod to do to your car to get the car run cooler. I can get these at iperformance.com, I'm pretty sure. Alright, go. Why do you run Prestone in your cars?
Because I'm lazy. Because if you don't run Prestone, you.
No, I put all 3 bottles. That's why I bought them. You trying to take one for your car or something?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, that bottle looks fake. You got that shit on eBay? Brad can let you buy this?
You sent me that the other day.
Yeah, it looks
Sent me some new underwear and socks too. Tommy, shut up! We're trying to record something, man!
Tommy, shut up!
So you're saying we're faking how we treat you for the views?
Yeah.
Really, Tommy?
Yeah.
Really?
Cloud chasing.
Tommy, don't get too close. I can't zoom in time. This girl's first time putting corn in the car. Usually put water. They got no idea what's going on. Yeah, what the fuck is that noise? Hit it with a hammer.
No, it's good, it's good, it's good. It does that. You're crazy, bro.
Alright, so ignore the mess, but take this out. I don't even know how to bag the cylinder, but it still has a cap, so that's pretty shitty. So now I'm about to put this on here. Somehow fit it up right here, because the O2 placement is actually pretty key on this car. It needs to be around right here, and then just make a mid pipe to connect to this. All that, and then I should be ready to go to we drive the car and see how it feels. See, maybe go drift it. I don't know yet, but we'll see how the car feels first. Ooh, those are decent. Look at these.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yo, Tommy, shut up!
Tommy, shut up!
This is pretty much the boring part of the video, but it needs to be done because we need AC. Like, Gil had the coolest RX-8 because it had AC, and until I have AC, I can't shit on Gil.
Alright, they're gonna get gone, right?
Yeah. What does it do when you shake the can?
Nothing.
Well, that's how I go up. what are you trying to do?
I don't know. I saw it on a video that you gotta like do this. Shut the f up.
Tommy, I'm gonna fucking roast the shit out of you if you don't get out of my fucking face. We want it freezing, not cold. I want my fucking nipples to freeze.
You need colder than that, though.
Oh yeah, we need colder than that, bro. Like, come on, girl. You're trying to shit on me now with your colder AC.
You run out?
Hey, nice shirt, Mike. Nice shirt, bro. Let's see. It matches the pulleys that are all the way down there.
We're cycling right here. Ooh, there we
Oh, that's a full one. No, the other one. Yeah.
It's not full, but
Hey, man, beggars can't be choosers. So there's literally no science. It's just like keep pumping it until it gets hot and you're gonna take some air out.
So before you put any AC on, you have to read this, and it says to put 14 ounces right here. So each one of these cans is 12 ounces. So we already put 12, and a leftover one is 14. So
Yo, my math is on point, man.
yeah,
Just gotta carry the
No wonder you and Brad get along so good.
I've done this so many times. I already knew that.
But the weight,
Yeah, the whole thing. See this right here? This is a tool we don't use often.
oh, when you
you
put in your butt.
Yeah, you stick that, and it's a turkey baster. You gotta take the fucking plastic out.
Oh.
That goes in your pocket,
Oh, okay.
and you know, give it a couple seconds, and it'll tell you how good of a job I did. Look at that. Look at that.
Hey, the AC in my truck goes under 60, bro. So
Yeah.
you gotta beat that. Oh, it is going under 60. Hey. Oh wait, hold up.
Where'd it go to?
We're at 58 right now. Yo, freeze my AC lines. Come on, man. Hook me up. Mike, I love you.
Just Mike?
I love you too, John.